Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this animation, this page load animation to add some fancy vibes to your portfolio landing page. Don't forget to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter for product design tips to improve in your design career. When we have this, all of the elements come together with move and opacity actions on our elements. First of all, we need to add the trigger for our animation. What triggers that animation? For this part, trigger is page load. Let's add that. First of all, we need to come to the interaction panel on the right side of the Webflow. Interactions, and then we have the page trigger. So there are two triggers, as you can see, element and page. From the drop-down menu, we click on page load because second step is to add the action. When page starts loading, what should be the action? Start an animation. Then ignore all of these. For you, probably you don't have anything. We are creating one timed animation. Then we should name our animation, which is we can say page load tutorial because I'm giving a tutorial. So here we name our animation, and then in the action you click on plus sign. We need to, as you can see, it's like disabled because no element has been selected. So for example, we want this one to have the animation. We click on the heading one, and then I want it to move. So then as you can see, we can move the y-axis because I want it to come up, and then 50 pixels is okay. And then we check the set as initial state. I want that to be my initial state. After that, we can add multiple actions. I want to add the opacity as well, so I want it to be 0 opacity, set as initial state. After that, we are going to create the end animation, which is move. So we come here and say 0 pixels, and the opacity should be at 100%. And perfect, we click on play. So to test the animation, we'll click on play. As you can see, it's very linear. So we can add to our animation, we can add the ease out or ease in or whatever there are for the end one. So we can set the duration to 1 second, and then changing the linear to out quint, and then for the opacity as well, for both of them, out quint. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, it's much more smoother and better than the linear interaction. You can set the animation to all of the elements. For example, I will do the same for the CTA button, set the move action. Maybe this time we can have it from the left side, so x-axis, and then adding the opacity as well, 0, and set as initial state is already checked on because I added it from here. And then let's add the move again here, 0, 1 second. You get the idea. It's so simple, and I didn't even imagine that I can just this way I can quickly make my animations, and I'm so excited to do the same for the rest of my portfolio again, but not being too much, just in moderate. It's good to add animations. Yes. Okay, this is perfect. I feel like there's something off. Maybe I can put the 95. We can do minus 50 to be consistent. I think this is perfect. Let's do the image as well. I'm gonna add the move. Let's have it from the right side. And let's add the opacity action as set as initial state. And then let's add the opacity initial state. Okay, so let's add the move. I think I want it to be after previous action. After this is good. Out. This is. And then. What's this? Okay. We can have 1 second. And then move opacity 100%. Timing 1 out. Okay, let's test it out. It was super slow, so I'm gonna put it here. Oh, I forgot to put the move. Okay, 0%, 0 pixels. Perfect. This is great. Okay. Good. Opacity 100. Okay. And voila, as you can see, we added our page load animation. Let's save it and let's hit the play preview. And yeah, this is great. I mean, you can feel like it has a modern look and feel right now, and you can feel free to just customize the durations and the ease in, ease out, whatever you are preferring. You can set it for the longer period, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds, to be more natural. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the rest of my videos. Until the next video, bye.